Well, we're going to be a little noisy, Mr. P. Little hen. And the project today is to pull the end piece down. We will see. All right, Highland.
Okay. Now we're on the top side of the barn demo project. Before we were down there and pulling, I was pulling with the bobcat that away. And as you can see, which Dee stopped the video a little bit earlier than I did. I didn't stop. I kept going, and I tell you, I did not hear her say whoa. So I kept going, so I wanted to show you the difference. In the video, that roof structure was still up there, and that big poison ivy bush that Dee's very allergic to was up there, and you can see there's that one little piece up there that's still up there. But this was the roof structure that was on this section of the building with that back wall. That the back wall is now way down there. And we drug the roof structure more out so it was out of the way and cleaning up the area. Still has to go a little bit further down, but the bobcat was pulling and I had to back up and pull again, pull again. There was a lot more whoas from Dee, whoa, whoa, whoa. And of course the peacock was noisy. He hears the noise, he gets loud. So anyway, I just want to show you this. And so we've got to clean that up and clean that up, trying to salvage as many of the boards as we can. You got to pull that section of the wall down yet. And of course that rest of it. But this part here was a major part. That rest of it looks much more easier. On good on today's morning adventures of the saga of the barn demo at Black Rock Farm continues.